back to my channel. Happy New Year. Yes, I'm thankful that 2020 is behind us and 2021 is here for us. So happy New Year, and it's something to be grateful for. It's something to be excited about. I'm actually very excited about this new year because it's a new beginning. It's a new opportunity to restart things. Some of the challenges of 2020 I know we passed behind us yet, but when we start to count a new calendar, a new set of numbers, it provides opportunity to reflect back on where we've been coming from and where we are right now and where we hope to get to in the future. So I'm excited about 2021. And so in this video, I want to welcome you new subscribers. Thank you for your subscription. My old subscribers, I thank you for following me, even though since the past 3 or 4 weeks ago I've not really put out something new because I've been so deep in preparation about the festivities. And I think now that it's over, I can resume back to my video making every Tuesdays and every Fridays. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. As you're well aware, what I hope to project with my YouTube channel is a positive self-image as a young Nigerian African woman, confident woman, resilient woman, creative woman. I like to share about family values, things that I hold very dearly to myself. I like to be creative about stuff. I engage in arts and crafts now and then with my children, and I'm also trying to engage children's department in the church with these craftings. And a few of the schools, my children's schools, I've introduced some of these videos to them to get the creative energies of these children kicking. That is one of what I love to do. And so I share a few things about recipes, healthy recipes. I'm all about health. When it comes to health, just count me in, all right? Count me in when it comes to health issues and all of that. Count me in. I share a few healthy recipes that are on my meal plan, and a few products that I use and that I think are good for everyone. So for you joining me afresh, thank you for subscription. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button. You can go through some of my old videos to see some of these things that I've talked about, and also watch out for more videos from me. I release video every Tuesdays and every Fridays. So thank you for the subscriptions. Keep them coming. Like my videos. When you find something that resonates deeply with you, please like the video and drop a comment. I appreciate every comment that I made on my videos. A few of the comments I received have made me to become better at video making. I'm open to comment. I'm open to suggestions that will improve the quality that I put out. And if you have any subject in mind that you want me to discuss about or to do a video about, kindly drop a comment in the comment section below this video. I'm welcoming 2021 with a lot of gratitude because I have quite a lot of things to be grateful for. I hope you do have some things to be grateful for. Now the thing about gratitude is you may not be able to sit there and just start saying what you're grateful for. You can list them out. Take a journal. Alright, take a journal and start listing some of the things you're grateful for. Start identifying the things that are positive in your life, okay? And if sometimes it may not look positive in certain way, but when you review that experience or that event in your life, you find that overall that event was something good. It wasn't bad. The way it presented itself was negative, but overall when you look at it, it's something positive at the end of the day. I recall in 2019 October, I left the comfort and the security of my job which pays me reasonably well enough in Nigeria, as a Nigerian. So it may look like a negative in a sense, but I tell you, one of the best decisions of my life till date is to have left that job. And I'll think about it to myself and say, you should have left that job years back. And now come to realize that that was the best decision of my entire life thus far. And I'm so grateful to God for enabling me, for giving me the strength, the courage to be able to eventually come to it. So I've dilly-dallied about leaving that job. But eventually in October of 2019, I made that decision and I quit the job. I clocked 40 last year. And one of the beautiful memories of 2019 was that I took a trip with the family. It was very memorable. And so it was a gift to myself that I'd like to explore another country. And then the most important gift was that I left the job. I quit, I resigned, I left. I knew that I didn't want to take up another job immediately. So even though I applied to some jobs, a few jobs, I never really followed up on those jobs because I was trying to recalibrate, I was trying to rediscover myself. And I must say I have done just that. I'm so glad I did that. I was able to gift myself that gift of rediscovering and recreating of myself. So creating with Mary is part of recreating of myself, rediscovering of Mary, rediscovering of the gifts and the talents that I have within myself. So in 2021, I'll ask you, what are you looking for? So it's all in your hands. It's a new year, but it could be a new you. So you are the one that makes it new, not necessarily the year 2021. No, you're the one to make the year new. You're the one to start making choices that will align with what you are looking for as a person. Some are looking for money desperately. That's not me. I have this settled within my God self. I know that what I need, all the things I require, I already have. All the things that I would need will be provided. That's the kind of assurance that I have going on with life. So I'm not fretted. In 2021, I pray that you develop the courage to leave any toxic job, any toxic relationship, any toxic accommodation, any toxic habit that you currently have. It takes a lot of courage to do, but I pray that you develop that courage, you develop that inner strength to be able to take that decision today, to be able to make up your mind on it, to be able to pursue with all of your mind, with all of your heart, the things that will move you forward in the direction of the things you really want, that you have identified. What do you really want? Once you identify that, and then you're able to move in that direction. So 2021, Happy New Year, Happy New You. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.